A large number of individuals struggle with affiliate marketing, not due to laziness or bad luck, but due to a poor niche choice. Today, I will guide you in avoiding this common error. Welcome to Money Gainers Hub, the channel where smart money moves become simple. We break down personal finance wisdom, including earning, saving, wealth building, and investing into powerful and practical tips, so you can make smarter money moves fast. Grab your notebook, get focused, and let's unlock your next financial breakthrough starting right now. This video will teach you how to select a niche that is profitable, align with your interests, and remains relevant, even if you are starting from scratch. What is the importance of choosing the right niche? Affiliate marketing isn't merely about pushing random products. It focuses on addressing particular problems for distinct audiences repeatedly. Your niche serves as your base. If you choose incorrectly, growth can be challenging. Make the right choice and you'll cultivate a brand, a revenue stream, and even a community. So, how to defining a niche? A niche refers to a specific topic or audience sharing a common problem, passion, or interest. For example, instead of just fitness, opt for home workouts tailored for busy moms. Instead of just money, consider budgeting tips aimed at university students. A focused niche makes it simple to rank high in searches, establish trust, and identify suitable products to promote. What steps can you follow to find the right niche? Step 1. Self-assessment, about your interests and skills. To begin, reflect on these two self-understanding questions. Which issues have I resolved in my own life? What assistance do people frequently seek from me? You don't need extensive expertise, just be slightly ahead of your audience. Step 2. Identify pain points of your audience. Every effective niche addresses a problem or challenge. So, people invest in solutions such as issues to mitigate their pain, aspirations to enhance their lives, effectiveness to conserve time or funds. Hence, utilize platforms like Reddit, Quora, YouTube, or Amazon reviews to uncover genuine inquiries. For instance, in personal finance niche, people inquire about, how can I avoid living paycheck to paycheck? Which budgeting app is best? What are my options for investing with just $100? Step 3. Assess profitability. A niche can only thrive if it produces income. Therefore, evaluate your niche idea using these criteria such as, are there products available for promotion? Do these products offer worthwhile commissions? Is there a purchasing trend within this niche? What resources can you consider to your assessment? Google Trends to check, is interest increasing or decreasing? ClickBank, Impact, or Share a Sale to check active programs? Amazon to investigate which products are popular and reviewed. Step 4. Differentiate between evergreen and trending niches. An evergreen niche maintains constant demand. Examples include health and wellness, personal finance and investments, productivity and professional skills. In contrast, a trending niche may be popular now but can decline. As the examples such as crypto meme coins, AI image tools, etc. Pro tip, combine both strategies. Produce short-term trending content while anchoring in a long-term evergreen niche. Step 5. Analyze competition, but don't fear it. Minimal competition typically indicates low demand. Conversely, excessive competition from large brands can complicate entry. Search YouTube and Google to check. Are smaller creators achieving rankings? Are top results outdated? Can you offer a unique viewpoint? Identify gaps and opportunities in the existing landscape. Step 6. Validate with micro-content. Before fully committing, evaluate your niche. Start with a few short videos, blog posts, or reels to investigate. Are viewers engaging? Do you find joy in creating this content? Are you receiving link clicks or comments? So, leverage this data for your long-term niche direction. What are the best examples of beginner-friendly affiliate niches? Personal finance guidance for newcomers. Self-development aimed at busy professionals. Tech reviews geared toward non-tech savvy individuals. Remote work products and advice. Plant-based meal preparation for families. Digital tools for content creators. What are the common features mentioned in each of these niches? Feature number 1. Clearly defined pain points. Feature number 2. Increasing search interests. Feature number 3. the products with affiliate marketing potentials. What are the common niche pitfalls to sidestep? Opting for an overly broad focus, as an example, fitness. Following trends without genuine passion. Selecting a niche solely for its profit potential. Skipping validation or testing altogether. Therefore, choose a niche that excites you for the next 6-12 months. In conclusion, finding the right niche transcends monetary gain and involves creating something you're committed to. Hence, invest your time in research, validate your idea, and once you discover your niche, fully commit to it. Download our complimentary Niche Discovery Workbook below to navigate this process step by step. It includes guiding questions, tools, and a niche scoring system to assist in making a confident choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for this video. Best strategies in affiliate marketing will be increasing your income, even if you are starting from the ground up.